Hey guys, Scrappy K Sue. I wanted to show you these shakers that I made for my swap group, the Facebook swap group called Pocket Letters and Embellishments. We were to make 3 shaker elements. So I was not sure how I was going to start on this because I don't make a whole lot of these. I really need to, or I want to. They're kind of fun once you figure out all the little ins and outs of how to do it on different things. Like you do this one different than you do this one or this one. So once you figure all that out, it's pretty easy. Now this one I just put into one of those baseball card things and put a card in there and put some little stickers on it here and here. And then I put some a little mixture, which this was already a mixture, except I put in these little snowflakes, these big snowflakes here, and then this little snowman. And then I sealed it up with the fuse tool there. And then this one I cut out with my, it was a, hang on a second, it's just like it's really bright. Does that look bright to you? I mean, like washed out? Like really? And I don't even have an extra light on. That just really looks, gosh, I hope that don't look right. Or weird in the, maybe it's just my lens. Okay. Well, anyway, this one I cut out using a tag die. I cut out a whole tag for the back, and then the front I cut out the same tag, and then the next one in I did another one to make the hole, and then I put some what do you call that stuff? That tape stuff in there to raise it up so I'd have enough room to put some stuff in. But the only problem with this one is that the acetate that I used was the same as this, which was those baseball card things, that stuff you put baseball cards in. So it's kind of flimsy. I should have put regular acetate in it. This is not really acetate, it's sort of just weird stuff. So it's kind of, I didn't get it really straight, and it's sort of, you can't tell it on there, but it's sort of got some little dents and stuff in it. But I mean, it still shakes. I mean, I'm not really too satisfied with it, but it just took me forever to do this one, and I don't know why, but I think all my stuff just wouldn't work when I was putting all this stuff in around all of this area. For some reason it just wouldn't adhere right. I don't know why. Anyway, I got it on there, and because my die has the little hole up here, I put a little snowflake there to cover the little hole that it automatically makes. And then I put a snowman there. But I didn't put a snowman in here because of that issue with that, but I did put some little snowflakes. See, they won't, it's sort of stuck up there, and it's because the thing is not flush. It's like down in it just a little bit. But I think it looks cute. What do y'all think? Should I redo it? I don't know. But I put some really cute ribbon that's got snowflakes on it that matches pretty good. Alright, anyway, enough on that one. And then this one I used that die from a while back. Hold on. Where'd it go? Do y'all see it? Oh, here it is. It's a Simon Says stamp lunchbox notes. And I cut out this one, and then I used this one to cut the middle out. So, and then, but I didn't use the other two. So here it is. I had to make sure I covered these little holes right here because that's just a little decorative element that the die makes. And so I had to cover it with the, again, I used that thing for the baseball cards. God, what do you call that thing? I don't know. Baseball card sheets. Something like that. And, but it did a little bit better than that other one, so it shakes pretty good. And then I just put a little thing on it and some little things on there. I just use the word thing too much, don't I? Okay. Anyway, I hope my partner likes it. I am kind of late getting these out, so I better go so I can get those out in the mail tomorrow. Mail's already run today. So anyway, let me know what you think, and we'll talk to you guys later. Thanks, guys. Bye.